Want to change the frame rate on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3? By adjusting the frame rate, you will get smoother, more cinematic videos. In this video, I'll show you how to change the frame rate on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, turn on your camera and swipe up to bring the menu options. Under the resolution, you will get the FPS frame rate numbers. You will get the FPS or frame rate numbers like 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, and 60. You can pick either 24/30 FPS or 60 FPS depending on your choice. Higher frame rates like 60 FPS are smoother but use more storage and battery. And that's it for today. This is the way to change the frame rate on your DJI Osmo Pocket. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.